The International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, ICESCR, is a UN treaty that commits its parties to work towards guaranteeing economic, social, and cultural rights for all individuals. These rights include things like the right to work, education, health, and an adequate standard of living. It's part of the International Bill of Human Rights, alongside the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. Key aspects of the ICESCR. 1. Focus on socio-economic rights. The ICESCR focuses on rights that are essential for human dignity and well-being, such as the right to work, education, health, and an adequate standard of living. 2. Progressive realization. States are expected to take steps, progressively, to achieve these rights, meaning they should be working towards full realization over time, rather than having an immediate obligation to guarantee them perfectly. 3. Obligation to respect, protect, and fulfill. States have a responsibility to respect these rights, not interfere with them, protect them, ensure others don't violate them, and fulfill them, take positive measures to make them a reality. 4. Examples of rights. The ICESCR includes rights like the right to work. This includes the right to fair wages, safe working conditions, and the freedom to form trade unions. The right to health. This encompasses access to healthcare, including prevention, treatment, and access to essential medicines. The right to education. This includes the right to free, compulsory primary education, and access to other levels of education. The right to an adequate standard of living. This includes access to food, clothing, housing, and other necessities. 1. Monitoring. The UN Committee on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights monitors how states are implementing the covenant. Landmark cases. While the ICESCR doesn't have a specific court like the European Court of Human Rights, there are examples of how its principles have been applied. Cases before the UN Committee on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights. The committee has reviewed reports from states about their implementation of the ICESCR and issued recommendations. For example, it has addressed issues related to the right to health in various countries. Domestic courts. Courts in various countries have also referenced the ICESCR when interpreting domestic laws related to economic, social, and cultural rights, even if the covenant is not directly enforceable in their legal systems. In essence, the ICESCR is a crucial international agreement that aims to ensure that everyone has access to the basic necessities and opportunities needed for a dignified life. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.